In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PowerPoint Designer not working, so you can get back to creating professional-looking slides in seconds. If your Design Ideas button is grayed out, missing, or simply not generating suggestions, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes that solve this issue in most cases. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along and fix it fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to check is your internet connection. PowerPoint Designer, also known as Design Ideas, is a cloud-based feature. That means it requires an active internet connection to work properly. If you're offline, Designer will not generate any layout suggestions. So look at the bottom of your screen and confirm you're connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Try opening a browser and loading a website to confirm your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or unstable, reconnect to your network or restart your router. Once you're back online, reopen PowerPoint and click on the Design tab, then select Design Ideas on the right-hand side. In many cases, simply restoring your internet connection instantly fixes the problem. If that didn't solve it, the next step is to customize your ribbon and make sure the Design tab is enabled. Sometimes the Designer button appears missing simply because the ribbon settings were changed. Open PowerPoint and click on File in the top left corner. Then click Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Customize Ribbon. On the right-hand side, make sure the Design tab is checked. If it's unchecked, enable it and click OK. Now go back to your presentation and click the Design tab again. You should see the Design Ideas button on the far right. If it's there but grayed out, don't worry, we'll fix that in the next steps. The third fix is to update PowerPoint. An outdated version of Microsoft Office can cause Designer to stop working properly. To update, click File, then Account. Under Product Information, click Update Options and then select Update Now. PowerPoint will check for the latest updates and install them automatically. Once the update finishes, restart PowerPoint and test the Designer feature again. Running the latest version ensures you have all the newest features and bug fixes. Finally, make sure you're using supported content and that you're signed into your Microsoft account. PowerPoint Designer only works when you're signed in with an active Microsoft 365 subscription. Go to File, then Account, and confirm you're signed in. If not, sign in with your Microsoft account. Also, Designer works best when you insert content like images or use standard text layouts. If your slide contains custom shapes, unsupported objects, or too many elements, Designer may not generate suggestions. Try creating a new slide, add a photo and a simple title, then click Design Ideas again. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix PowerPoint Designer not working. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.